How to get full screen option on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and make sure that we have searched for the TikTok application and we have an updated version of the TikTok application. So as we search for it, you can see the option over here. We do not have any update option, so it means we have the latest version of the application. So let's tap on open. Now as you tap on open, make sure that you are logged into your account on TikTok as well. So here what you can see is we have two different formats. We have the full TikTok mode and we have the horizontal mode. So it's all about aspect ratio. So when the aspect ratio is low, then we get the option of full screen over here below the video. So if you have full video aspect ratio on the video, you'll not be having the full screen option, but you have the aspect ratio which is smaller, then you can get the option of full screen and you can just tap on it and get the full screen version. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.